These here walnuts may just be the easiest and tastiest ticket to the Greek Isles without leaving your kitchen. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Santorini spice walnuts. So hop on board and let's get cooking. First, we preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small dish, we add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon each of minced fresh rosemary leaves, minced fresh thyme leaves, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Add some freshly ground black pepper. Stir until combined. 1 cup of raw walnuts. Put it in a medium bowl. Using our seasoning, we drizzle it over top of our walnuts. I wanted to create a Mediterranean style roasted walnut that I could use in my Greek salad with a twist. Toss our walnuts until they are well coated. Spread in a single layer in a small roasting dish. When I'm creating recipes, I look for ways to make them unique and interesting. And I thought, what better way than to create a Greek salad with a twist? And these Santorini spice walnuts are the perfect addition to make a Greek salad with a twist. Roast them in a preheated 350 degree oven for about 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. We recommend doubling the recipe because it's so easy to munch on these before you have an opportunity to wow your guests. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. And you can pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.